my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I did make a purchase from Glamlite. So here it is. And I'm super excited because if you guys know me, you guys will probably already know what I ordered. But if you don't, I'm really excited for this, and you will see why in a little bit. So I'm going to open this. I stabbed myself with the box. Okay, so anyways, I opened the box and ta-da! Can you guys see that? I'm super excited. So I did get the Coca-Cola collection, and I mean, I know you guys already know by the title, but I'm super excited. I didn't even know that Coca-Cola had a collaboration with Glamlite, and when I saw it, I got super excited. I did see it on the Trend Moods Instagram, and I saw it because I was looking for stuff for you guys for the Halloween giveaway. But yeah, anyways, I finally got it, and I was thinking of getting everything, but I didn't. I only got a thing of each. So anyways, here we go. Okay, so it does come with a card. Right here it says Coca-Cola and Glamlite collection. And anyways, if you guys don't know, I love Coca-Cola. I'm literally sitting on a Coca-Cola mat right now. And okay, I surprisingly don't have anything Coca-Cola, but I love Coca-Cola. I have Coca-Cola pillows, Coca-Cola blankets, Coca-Cola puzzles, Coca-Cola socks, Coca-Cola slippers, Coca-Cola shoes, a Coca-Cola lamp, Coca-Cola notebook paper, Coca-Cola sticky notes, Coca-Cola pajamas, Coca-Cola keyboard, and Coca-Cola mouse pad, Coca-Cola earphones. I have a lot of Coca-Cola things because I love Coca-Cola. I also have Coca-Cola makeup. I have the Coca-Cola and Morphe palette, and then I also have the Coca-Cola and Makeup Revolution palette. But I just really wanted to get this one, so I'm super excited. But anyways, here is the first thing, and it is the lip gloss set. Ta-da! Look how beautiful, you guys. It looks like an actual can, a Coca-Cola can. It's really pretty. I do have other Coca-Cola lip glosses, like the one by Morphe and then the other one by Makeup Revolution. So let's see how these are. So here are the lip glosses. And it comes with, this is just plastic. So it comes with this lip gloss right here. It's like a nude pink. Really pretty. It doesn't have a shade name. Okay, it doesn't really say anything about the name of these lip glosses, but it's okay. So anyways, I'm going to be swatching this one first. I can't smell anything. It doesn't smell anything. I thought it was going to smell like Coca-Cola or something. Anyways, that's what this one looks like. It's like a nude pink. It does have a slight tint. Really pretty. Okay, and let's see, the other one is this one right here. Really pretty. And this one has shimmers, as you can see. Oh, I think I really like this one. It has gold shimmers. It doesn't smell like anything. And that's what it looks like. Super pretty. Can you guys see the little shimmers there? Super beautiful. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. Okay, and then this is the other lip gloss right here. It's a darker red, and it also has shimmers. Super pretty. I really love the packaging on these lip glosses. This one doesn't smell like anything either. Ooh, look how pretty. Can you guys see that? It has beautiful shimmers. I'm really happy that I got these lip glosses. So yeah, I'm super happy that I got these. Very beautiful. I'm going to have to compare my lip glosses and see if the others are sticky, because these don't feel like they're going to be that sticky. And I really love the packaging. I'm obviously going to be keeping this in here. Super, super cute. I love it. Okay, now the next thing that I got is this right here. And this is the Glow Highlighter by Coca-Cola, obviously. Super cute. Oh, I just remembered I do have another Coca-Cola palette and Coca-Cola lipsticks. And they are by the, I think it's like the Korean brand. Yeah, the other palette that I have is the Face Shop Coca-Cola palette. I was trying to Google the eyeshadow palette and it literally showed me this right now. Coca-Cola socks and JCPenney. I'm gonna have to get these. These are super cute. And they're only $15. Okay, add to cart. Gosh, I'm horrible. Okay, anyways. Let's see. Okay, anyways. Back to the highlighter. So, anyways, I wanted to get this one because the packaging was super cute. I don't really use highlighters, but I'm gonna have to use this one because I really, really like how this one looks. But anyways, look at this, you guys. Ta-da! How adorable is this? Oh my gosh, I freaking love this. This is so pretty. It literally looks like a Coca-Cola cap. I don't know if you guys can see that. Super duper pretty. I love it. Gosh, the packaging is just so pretty. I really, really love this, you guys. I can't believe I got this. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. How pretty. Oh, I don't even want to swatch it. I should have got two. I'm so happy that I got this. Okay, I'm going to swatch it very gently on the edges with that. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at that, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like a, it looks white, but then it's like pink, like iridescent. Okay. I love how this closes. It's like magnetic type of thing. Like the packaging is like really good quality. And I really like that it says Glamlite right there. Super cute. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to swatch this right here. Look how pretty. That's a very, very pretty highlight. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm like obsessed. And the last thing in here is this right here. Ta-da! How pretty is this, you guys? This is the Coca-Cola palette. They did have two different types of Coca-Cola palettes. And there was the original Coca-Cola and the cherry, and I ended up getting the cherry because I feel like the original Coca-Cola eyeshadow palette has similar shades to the one from the Morphe palette. So yeah, I just ended up getting the cherry palette instead. I really like the packaging. Super cute. So I'm obviously going to be keeping this all the time. I love that it says ice cold right there. Like a fridge, a Coca-Cola fridge. Oh, and I do have a Coca-Cola fridge as well. Okay, so. Okay, oh my gosh, this is beautiful, you guys. It looks like a beautiful Coca-Cola can. And it says cherry Coca-Cola. Ta-da! How pretty is that, you guys? It has numbers on here on the little plastic. Look how beautiful. I literally do not want to even swatch these shadows. They look too pretty. I'm going to be swatching the palette now. So I'm going to start off in this first row right here. Shade number 1. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's too skinny. Should I ruin the top or should I ruin the bottom? I'm going to try to do the top. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Oh, that's pretty. The shimmers are super buttery. This is the first one. The second one. Ooh, how pretty is that, you guys? And then the third one. Super pretty. I feel like this third one looks like the highlighter. I'm going into the fourth shade now. Ooh, pretty. And this one. Okay, these are really, really pretty and buttery. Look how pretty, you guys. Can you guys see that? Okay, the last two. So here are all of the shadows from the Cherry Coca-Cola palette. I'm super happy that I got this eyeshadow palette. It's super pretty. I love the colors. Anyways, what do you guys think of this collection? Did you guys get anything from the Coca-Cola and Glamlite collection? I'm really, really happy that I saw this, because if it wasn't for the giveaway that I'm doing, I literally wouldn't have had seen this, because I haven't really been on Instagram, and especially on the Trend Moods Instagram. So yeah, anyways, I'm really happy that I saw it and now I have it. I do want to get the other stuff as well, but maybe I'll just wait for later. Hopefully it goes on sale, and if it does, I'm definitely going to be getting everything else, like the other Coca-Cola lip glosses, and I believe there was something else. And anyways, here are the other lip glosses. This is the Cherry Collection lip glosses. They're more of a red and pink. Very beautiful as well. But I got the regular ones, right? Yeah, I got the original taste. So yeah, anyways, that is all for this video. I am going to be doing an eye look later on, sometime maybe in November, with this eyeshadow palette. And maybe I'll do like a palette bingo using all of my Coca-Cola eyeshadow palettes, like two shadows per palette or something, just to see how well they blend in and to see which one works better and all of that. So yeah, anyways, we will see. And yeah, anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!